Hello, my name is Andrea Corso, and today I'm going to talk about my last vacation. So, my last vacation were on December 2022 to January 2023. Well, I took advantage for of my free time and I decided to continue my company. And by the way, my company is about painting canvas, painting, a cell phone case, and also custom cases. And well, I started to paint and deliver orders that every time I receive. And I also film some videos to my Instagram and post them there. And it really worked, so I could receive new customers, and I also could save some money and spend in clothes and gifts, and I also slept a lot I than usually. I was able to sleep like 9, 10 hours around. And I also didn't travel as you or maybe expect. I know it can result kind of boring, but for me it was so good. I stayed at home and I pet my cats and dogs, and I also watched some movies and I took advantage of my free time to do things that I don't usually do when I study, and that's